look to the left. Just like that. Dropping. Alright. So what's been happening? Body-wise.
Body-wise?
Body-wise. Just working.
Just working. Last couple of weeks, because I haven't seen you in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
It's just been really, it's starting to get sore again.
Yeah, so that's very true. And with lockdown as well, you're probably less mobile, not exercising, all that sort of stuff as well. Yeah. Alright man, I'll get you on your tummy for me, thanks.
I'll go to the gym in a couple of weeks.
I mean, you're a new athlete. A masters athlete?
That's the one.
Hey?
That's the one.
Okay. Definitely through the So Flimmz makes it easy for me, so I get to see the spine. Like actually, so we don't have that skill level to be able to palpate. We need those visuals. All right, that right leg up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down.
Putting extra pressure on me.
No, I'm going gentle on you today.
But no.
I don't want.
He doesn't want me to do any acting at all.
Camera, no acting.
Oh.
That's only thumb, mate. Come on. I'm not even giving you the elbow yet.
Doesn't even hurt.
You right? You good? You good? You back with us?
Why am I getting this special treatment today?
I'm giving you, looking to the left. I'll give you the special treatment. That right, you're touching right shoulder. Just let that never turn activated. Just relax. Look to the left. On your side, actually no. You got a little bit in your infraspinatus. You might have a little bit. It's wavering your wand around too much. Down the cab. Fuck. Alright, on your side facing me, thanks mate, this way.
He doesn't normally do this.
I always do this. On your side facing this way.
Just like...
I'm going to start doing what you're told.
I'm hurting.
You're in a safe place.
Fuck! Man!
Hands there, just relax. Relax. Just that shoulder up.
Oh.
There we go. On your back, thanks, mate.
I didn't sign up for this. I didn't sign up for this.
We're not even halfway through. Just let that relax. Keep your teeth together. So don't talk. This might be difficult. Just like that. Alright, we good? We good? Just dropping that left shoulder all the way. Okay. And that right, yeah, dropping. Oh. You would think it's your first adjustment, wouldn't you? You like that one? Okay. Right. Okay. Alright, so we'll get you sitting up facing that way. That way. Hands like this. In. But sort of keep it relaxed in there. Okay, and elbows forward a bit. Yep. And breathing in and out. Okay, overhead press. So he's finally understanding gym talk. Alright, coming down and up. And up. And down. Okay. Alright, we're back in the game. Alright, sitting out. This one. Just let that one go. Just let that one. Okay. Right arm like that. Push. Left one. Push. Good. Strength's coming back. You look like I betrayed you. This is the final betrayal. There we go. Okay. That's fine.
What are you going to use this footage for? Are you going to like scare people or is this like bloopers? This is like
You're our blooper reel. Alright, strong, 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 strong. Good. Alright, this one now. And to the left, to the right. Beautiful. All good.
That was great.